Hey, good morning. Here we are, Thursday. I almost said Friday. I tell you what, I'm kind of enjoying doing these videos early morning for you guys. I come down to what is it's like I call it the dad cave. It's hunting memories and fishing memories and things like that. I'll spin around and you can see, it's just it's my room downstairs. I've actually made a desk for this room that I'll get down here. It'd be handy to have it down here now. But I have, only thing I have down here furniture wise is an antique chair, but it's kind of a cool old chair. Anyway, so coming from my dude room downstairs. So things on your list for today. Remember, number one is, that you do not have school tomorrow or Monday. Feel free, always feel free to be connected with any of your teachers any way you want. So if you want to, if you need to email or anything like that, go ahead and do that with any of your teachers anyway, because you'll be off for 4 days. So you have a 4-day weekend, which is sort of strange, not sending you home. I got to show you too I don't know if you can see this is another reason I like it down here. The sun, it's just the sun shines in the morning down here. It's things to be grateful for. I come down here with my coffee and I work for you and I think, wow, how cool. It's just sun shining through this room in the morning. So, sorry, Mr. Black Squirrel moment. Anyway, first is got to make sure you have, or that you have Monday or Friday and Monday off and, enjoy that time with your family. I hope you're getting outside, and I hope you're maintaining that social distance and keeping from others. I want this over. I want to get back to school and seeing your faces and get back to normal life. I miss Starbucks, to be honest with you. Anyway, that social distance is the way that's going to happen. Okay, so the days off. Number 2 is make sure you watch the joy video that I'll post with this today from Mrs. Johannes. She'll, I love that our administrators and guidance folks and such are posting videos for you. Kind of encouraging. I like to have Officer Lobbs is on patrol because he's not at school, so I'd like to see a joy video from him. So number 2 is to look at that. Number 3, and what I'll do with you today is how to post your drawn model on our, on the assignment doc you'll get from today's assignment. So everything you'll get today will be on the assignment. I'll still post a regular comment post for today with this video and Mrs. Johannes' video in our slideshow, but you'll see an assignment pop up for today as well. All right, so let me get into a different screen here. And turn to that, and then I'm going to go. So this will be the doc that you'll see pop up on your, excuse me, on your assigned Google Classroom classwork for today. So everybody gets their own copy, and what I'm going to do is just show you what I want you to do. If you did a video, or if you do a video like I did, where you're holding your drawing, you're showing your drawing, you're explaining what's happening, you're just going to have to email the video, excuse me, or put the video on, I don't think you can post it to comments, but you can try. Email me the video and I'll figure out a way. You might be able to link the video if you do like a YouTube thing. You might be able to link the video on your document like this one. So anyway, what I'm going to do is this is what you would have, and this is where you'd start. I'm going to take that down a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and insert a photo, an image, on my doc, and I'm just going to search from my computer. So the same with you. I want you to take your picture on your computer, and then go ahead and you can do it there. So I'm going to scroll down. These are all sorts of pics from school for the past few years, and I got to find my image of my Rube Goldberg, and there it is right there. So then I'm going to just double click that, and that's it. Easy as that is put it in there. But if you do that, you're not doing a video. So then below it, you're going to want to describe, and this is where you're going to have to type in what happens, the end result, result of my machine will be to pour a cup of coffee. It will start hard to type on my lap. Yeah, so anyway, it'll end result will be a cup of coffee. It'll start with a fan switch. I showed you this yesterday in the video. So that's what you would do if you're just posting the pic. You're going to type this in. This shouldn't take you long. Honestly, just to do this should take you your 20 minutes today. I don't plan on giving you more than 20 to 30 minutes a day. So just to take care of that today. And then if you get done with that really quickly, or if you do the video and you describe in the video, that's fine. And then spend, maybe another 5 or 10 minutes just thinking about your machine and supplies, and you can gather some things. Next week, we're going to start we're using your experience through this, and we're going to start to really talk about different aspects and concepts in force and motion, probably like one a day. So let's talk about acceleration one day. Let's talk about gravitational, force another day. Let's talk about net force. Let's talk about what's the difference between acceleration and velocity. So that'll be coming next week. Let me see. I hope that makes sense on the dock. Of course, when you're done, yours won't say share. Your tab will say turn in, I believe. You'll turn that in. I expect those turned in today. I'm going to go back to the idea. There are a number of people that I am not hearing from. And it's really weird when we have our Gold House adult meetings. Mrs. Schuster's hearing from certain kids that I'm not hearing from, and I'm hearing from kids that she's not hearing from. The same with Mr. Bukowski. So be on social media and make sure you're letting these people know that school is in session. You got to show up. And I'm doing now, today is Thursday, so today will be Science 1 and 3. You have your small group today. Those meetings. Yesterday, I think people are having a hard time figuring it out, but not many people showed up. So what you do on the small group is you got to go to Google Meet. And if you're Science 1, I think your code is posted on that document attached to yesterday or to the 2 days ago. I think it's small group Science 1 is your code, but look for that code and I'll try to post them again today as a reminder. I think that's it. That gets us through today, and then, like I said, enjoy your 4 days, and happy Easter. And, it's sunny out. It's cold and windy, but sunny today, so you can still get out there and enjoy that. If you are kiddos that turkey hunt, this weekend's youth turkey hunting season, for you, so you get to, I love that they do that. You get to get out ahead of the adults. If you're going out, good luck. Let me know. Keep me posted. I know Maddie and I are going to go out and see if she can't, find herself a bird. Other than that, stay well, stay healthy. Miss you guys. Talk to you soon.